Hey, this is Glenn from GISuser.com. You may know me as GLetham or Gletham on Twitter. If you follow me, you probably noticed that I've recently, in the last day or so, tweeted about EsrI's ArcGIS mobile app for Android. So here you can see I've got a Samsung Galaxy S2, my new Android smartphone, and last night I grabbed this app from the Android market. It just came available yesterday. So let's fire it up. So ArcGIS Mobile's been around for a long time, over a year or so. We've been hearing about it at conferences, and a lot of the iOS users have been using it, myself included, using it on iPad and iPhone. So let's give you a little look around here. By default, this is actually showing, that showed a map that I created. So here you can see at the heart of the app is where you find maps. Data is king, so this is where you go to find your data. Ideally, to use this and get the most out of it, you want an ArcGIS Online or ArcGIS Explorer Online account. That will be integrated and linked to all these mobile clients. And the interoperability between them is really nice. Again, ideally, if you're a data creator and publisher, you'll be able to access your web map services from these clients. So there's a number of ways that the data is organized. You can see I'm not part of any groups, but you could create a group, maybe a closed group, just your colleagues or maybe some clients and whatnot, and you could share your web map services or maps through those groups. And the easiest way is to create them online and set up all the security and the other functionality that way. We've got favorites, so anytime you're viewing a map, you can hit the little heart and favorite that map, so it gets stored in here. So I have a few common maps. I'll pull up a couple here. So you can see when you hit a map, we have this. We can view the map, see details. Details gives you metadata, so if the creator hopefully provided lots of information about maybe sources of data, etc. So we get info on ownership, there's tags, the data was modified, the extents, pretty handy. What else was I going to show you? Sorry, favorite. So in here we can just view it. So it's going to pull up this map service. And there we have it. So yes, indeed, yeah, that is a world image service. Let's have a look. Pretty amazing and fast. I'm running over Wi-Fi here, so you can see. Look at that. I mean, it's imagery for anywhere in the world at your fingertips. Whoops. We don't have that kind of resolution, but pretty sweet. Anyway, let's go back. So we also have ArcGIS Server. So if you're an administrator of your own web map services, you can add your information so that you can access these servers right here. I don't have any that I've authored, of course, so I can't show you that. Gallery, that's where you find all the data that EsrI puts out there for you, and there's thousands of things there. We've got our featured content, so the relatively new content that's being hyped, recent earthquakes in Turkey, U.S. soil surveys, I mean, you name it. Seattle DOT parking map, that one's kind of cool. Let me just show it to you. Loading. Of course, in a live demo, it has to take time. I fired this up a few minutes ago, and it came up like bang. So sorry about that. And let me see. So we'll go back here. My maps. So why you want an account? You can create your own maps and then access them here. Doesn't matter what device you're on. I can view these on PC, iPad. So here you can see Glenn's Victoria map, and this was a demo map, so we'll go in the details. This is one that I created. I actually created this, I believe, using ArcGIS Explorer on iPad. Not a lot of data in here, but I'll fire it up. Essentially what I did, so the extent of this map is the Victoria, BC region where I'm located. Give you an idea, there's Vancouver Island, Seattle's right here, Vancouver's here. So that's where I am. Essentially all I did, I believe I was downtown at the time, and for a demo you see I added a point here. Whoops. At the Empress Hotel, restroom facilities. So kind of a POI that I located. I dropped an icon there. We can get more info. So here's the info that I added about it, about the Empress Hotel. Little info, yeah, these are nice public restrooms. And I added a link, and there's a hyperlink, which is then calling up Flickr photos that I have of that item. So as you can see, I can easily create a cool map of fun places to go while you're in Victoria. Created on iPad and now viewed on Android device. So there's lots more to it. That's ArcGIS on Android.